Hi everybody, welcome to Fast Homebrew. Bet your subscribers didn't think you'd be watching a video on lactation cookies, did you? No, but this little guy here is hungry and his bottle is empty, so Mum needs to make some more milk. And it turns out that brewer's yeast is a thing that helps. So we've got self-raising flour, water, flaxseed meal, rolled oats, butter, egg, I think that's cinnamon, vanilla, sugar, sultanas, salt. And there's the yeast. This is some older yeast that's no longer viable, so we're using that. But first thing, make sure your baby is secure and has things to amuse himself with so that they don't crawl around and upset you and hurt themselves on the hot stove and that stuff. And here's the stove. Don't have the recipe in front of me, by the way, so you're just going to have to put up with me rambling, and then if you want to see the recipe, check the comments below. So there's butter being melted and some sugar going in. That looks like my half cup measurement, and I'm just going to guess anyway. Maybe half a cup of butter. And an egg. Now they always give butter measurements in cups, but like that's stupid because it's easier to weigh it. But anyway, yeah, okay. So that stuff done. All right, now the flaxseed meal goes in. That looks like 2 tablespoons, and then a little bit of water. 3. And then you stir this, and then it says after you stir it, you need to leave it for a while. So I'll just leave it for a bit. And I reckon it went a bit too long because it's turned into quite clumpy, lumpy, hard bits. But that's alright. I'll just have to stir it all in. There we go. Break up all the little bumps. And very good. Right, now we got all the dry stuff. That is the flour going in. I can't remember how much. Oh well, here's some salt out of my, I need a tiny amount out of my giant thing, and none of it's coming out. There we go. Eventually got some out. That's a however much salt. Cinnamon, and that thing doesn't pour nicely either, but that's alright. Cinnamon going in. Oh, and the yeast. And so this is 2 packets I'm using of 11 grams of, I think it's an ale yeast, that one. You have to check. I'm not even sure if I've used that one in beer before, but anyway. Need to use brewer's yeast, not baker's yeast, apparently. That's some sultanas. This is some rolled oats. There's some more rolled oats. And there's too much more, but now it's just the right amount more, and it's all getting mixed around. Blah 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 blah. Mixy mixy mix, and then after that we scoop it out into little balls and put it on the tray and squash them down. And I'm not quite sure if these are going to get much bigger or not, so I'm only putting a few on per tray. Ended up with 3 trays of 6 in the end. So there's the first one, there's another one. Into the oven you go. That's at whatever temperature it is, and they're going in there for 10 minutes. 10 minutes is done, and they're coming out. And now the next one goes in for 10 minutes. So that's all very good. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 0. There we go. And actually, I'm going to give it another 2 minutes, and I put the other one in for an extra 2 minutes. So, here we go. It's taste test time. How are they? They are approved. Approved. Good. That's the end of the video. Can't believe that went so quickly. But yeah, they're actually pretty nice. I didn't get to try any because they all got eaten before I could even have a chance. So, thanks for watching the video. Now you know how to make lactation cookies. I bet you're happy about that. Bye.